So today we are going to make a Rakhi bookmark. For that we would need a cardstock of 2 inches by 8 inches, and we'll also need a pencil to draw, and then we would need something circular in shape to draw the outline of our Rakhi. I'm using sellotape. And then we would need some colors. You can use any colors of your choice. I'm using markers, but you can use crayons or pencil colors or whatever you like. The colors that I'm choosing are the colors that I think represent Rakhi, but you can use any colors of your choice. I'm using yellow, orange, red, green, gold and black. Gold and black are for the accents and outlines. So let's get started. First we'll place our tape in the center and make our circular outline, and then I'm also making a circle on the inside so I have an idea where the center of my Rakhi is. Then I'll make a smaller circle inside that, and then I'll outline it with these floral shapes, but you can use whatever shapes you like. I am just going freehand, but you can choose whichever design. You can also look at some designs online and see what you would like to draw. I'm drawing it very lightly because this is just for reference. Once we color on top of that, these pencil outlines are not going to show. So yes, this will be the basic outline and shape of my Rakhi. You can add more designs if you want, but I wanted to keep it simple. Then we'll draw our string that we tie the Rakhi with, and in the end I'm adding some beads, and that's the leftover thread. And yeah, that's basically the outline of my Rakhi. I'm adding some beads in the start also. Now I'll start coloring. So I'm first going to color the lightest color, and then afterwards I'll keep going darker because it's easier to put a darker color on top of a lighter color rather than putting a light color on a dark color. So I'll just color all of my yellows first, and then I'll add the other colors later. I'm using all the other colors to add my various beads and other sort of designs that the Rakhi has, and finally I'm finishing off the outline and adding a few more details. I'm using gold color to add a little bit more of the highlights and to make the Rakhi really pop. Now I'm coloring the beads of the Rakhi. Now here I'm making the string. I'm making it green in color, but you can use any other color. I just wanted to use green because it was not used much in the Rakhi. Finally adding a little bit more of the gold, and we're done. Now you can take any book of your choice that you're currently reading, remove the bookmark that you already have, and then you can put your Rakhi bookmark. Thank you.